I'm Mark, and these are 1-minute phrases. Hi, I'm Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice, and this is the 1-minute phrase. Yay! This is video 47 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. And today's phrase is a piece of cake. A piece of cake. Something easily achieved. Something easily achieved. Doing home repairs. Once I get the door attached, it's a piece of cake. At school, the final exam was a piece of cake. Flying an airplane. Landing this type of aircraft is a piece of cake for an experienced pilot. On a hike, this particular trail is a piece of cake. At work, this report was a piece of cake compared to the expense report. At a hospital, I was surprised. My physical exam was a piece of cake. Yes, it was. No problem. The doctor made everything easy. Okay, great job, everyone. I had fun. I hope you had fun too. And please don't forget to ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please join the channel too. That would be fantastic. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.